Come with me to the most enchanting hill stations in Tamil Nadu, Kodaikanal. Situated in the Dindigul district of Tamil Nadu, Kodaikanal is known for its wooded forests, emerald green lakes, and hiking trails, and of course, the homemade delicious chocolates. If you are looking for serenity and a quiet retreat, then Kodaikanal will be the best choice. So, one of the most picturesque hill stations in India, Kodaikanal actually is 115 kilometers by road from Madurai. Of course, we have come to Kodaikanal from Ooty, and it has taken us almost 7 hours to reach Kodaikanal by road. So, the Princess of the Hills welcomes us and enscones us in its green folds. In the local language, Kodaikanal means the gift of the forest, and also sometimes Kodai means a valley and Kanal means dreams. So it can also be called the Valley of Dreams, and certainly it is the Valley of Dreams. In Kodaikanal, there is a world to be found in the lush forest, the coffee estates, and the grandeur of the Palani Hills. And most of the luxurious resorts are located in the Palani Hills near the Cocos Walk. And of course, there are lots of options for low budget hotels too. Kodaikanal is not just any usual place to stay or hang out. It's a place where you feel the nature most and you have first-hand experience with nature. You find yourself surrounded by mesmerizing natural beauty, and if you have come to seek for solitude and tranquility or peace, then this is the place for you. Welcome to the unexplored nature of Kodaikanal, which is situated 2000 meters above sea level. So whether it is the pleasant climate of Kodaikanal or the silvery cascades or the verdant landscapes or the hill slopes, all of it makes it worth visiting Kodaikanal. We've stopped here for tea at the Thalassery restaurant. Let's see whether they make good tea or not. Afoot and light-hearted, I take to the open road, healthy free, the world before me. So munching these delicious white chocolates which we purchased from Ooty and traveling towards Kodaikanal fills our heart with effervescence. So leave behind the imposing concrete buildings of the city and find yourself in the lap of nature in this green country. The green pastures and the meandering pathways will lead you to explore the hidden gems of Kodai. We've stopped here for lunch, so now we are browsing through the menu card. Have you found anything? Chicken is actually lots of them. You choose the chicken. Okay. arrived at Hyder's Park, and I must tell you that this place is so ostentatiously designed. The antique style of decor with a touch of vintage subtleties. Even the utensils were made of brass, and there was wood carvings everywhere. And look at the clock. It is designed in the shape of an apple, resembling the iPhone icon. And the interior was so plush with flowy curtains, shimmering and glimmering lights, and we almost felt like celebrities here. However, this style of decor is not much to my liking because I prefer more of the contemporary style. But yes, sometimes a change of style can uplift your mood. And walking down the corridors of this hotel with its flowy curtains and frescoes and wall drapings, I felt as if I was walking down the sets of Mughal-e-Azam, or maybe I was the actress of the film Pakiza. Even the decor in the dining room resembled the vintage style with its heavy carved chairs and tables. But I must say that the food was so fresh and inviting.
Yeah. Another bowl of sambar.
Very soft. The idlis are super soft. Super soft. The idlis are really super soft, and yeah, we will also get puris as well, and maybe dosas, but I don't know whether we'll be able to consume everything or not. How about that? So this time I was super impressed in South India by the puris they served, the perfect roundels with the potato curries. And the tea, of course, is always superb. We are now in conversation with the owner of Hyder's Park, Kodaikanal. And he will just tell us a few words about the concept and how it inspired him to build a hotel in Kodaikanal. Yes?
Really, I don't know what to say about this.
No, but what actually, made you to come to the hotel business? Were you in the hotel business before, or this is the first time?
This is our first hotel. Which is made 10 years back, 10, 15 years back, which is not like this luxury status. It was in a low class large. Something like 400 rupees, 500 rupees per night. So we demolished this, almost like a floors and everything. Then we rebuilt it. Because rebuilding hotel is not easy in Kodaikanal, especially hill station rooms is not allowed. So we make like a higher standard. Then we follow this. Also, we have other hotels in Tanjavur, Chennai.
In Chennai also you have?
But this is our first hotel.
First hotel in
Then I modified it as well.
And actually we are interested because we like the comfort, we like the food, especially the food.
We
Your
travel
food is
all over the world, so we are impressed to make our hotel same like international standard.
okay.
So it have some idea.
So good luck to you both. And hope that you open your hotels everywhere. Okay. Thank you so much. So now for some photo shoots in this antique styled hotel. It's an experience, really. So today's program is Kodaikanal sightseeing, and we are seated in our cab, and we are going to see the top-notch, the 12 most visited places of Kodaikanal, and the first spot will be the lake view. Yes, we are very excited. Afoot and light-hearted, we take to the road, wild and free and healthy. This is our way of enjoying life.
We can take this ride wherever it goes, as long as you're with me. I feel at home. Can you tell me why? 'Cause I wanna know. As long as you're with me, I feel at home. Yeah, I wave goodbye to my old life. Been reaching for some new heights. My baby, gets the best of me, I don't know what to do. Miles still ahead of me and I don't have a clue right now. But we can take this ride wherever it goes. As long as you're with me, I feel at home. Can you tell me why? 'Cause I wanna know. As long as you're with me, I feel at home.
So we have now reached Moor Point, and this is one of the most visited places in Kodaikanal, and the view from here is simply scintillating. This place is very calm and is filled with a kind of tranquility. So, the moment we started walking through the Moor Point, we felt a kind of calm suffusing our minds and bodies. We spent some time here, and both of us walked together hand in hand. And walking together with a friend is an experience. You don't need words, you just need the view, the feel, and the bond. Calmness of mind is one of the beautiful jewels in wisdom. Kodai Vista. You may not be hearing my voice very clearly because the place is full of tourists, very noisy. But the view itself is so soothing and so calming to the eyes. Wonderful view, and after a long time, I think I have seen such a serene view. This is such a pleasant place. We have decided to take a walk. Such pure, fresh air. Isn't it, Joita?
Yeah.
How do you like this place?
It's beautiful, so refreshing.
Really
Being in
refreshing.
fresh air, feeling so relaxed.
Away from the maddening crowd, really. And both of us, we like a bit of solitude, and this is what we strive for. And yeah, we are getting it here in Kodaikanal especially. আমি তাকে থিয় হইলাম র Trekking towards the Guna cave. I think it's a long way. Let's see. Ready for boating. So we've started the boat ride and it's quite windy, but the view is simply astounding. There are gorgeous lakes to visit in Kodaikanal, but we visited the Kodai lake, which is a man-made star-shaped lake with picturesque, verdant, lush green scenery. And we also decided to do boating over here to get a feel of nature. Vera Levinch was the man who was responsible for the creativity and resources of this Kodai lake. The star-shaped lake is situated in the central part of Kodaikanal and is surrounded by the lush green Palani hill ranges. I think Kodaikanal is even more relaxing and more enchanting than Ooty, and slowly and gradually Kodaikanal is gaining its footfall. But more than the lakes, I have been enchanted by the pillar rocks of Kodaikanal, which is so surrealistic, and it has a kind of history, a story, which also creates a kind of romance, and it is David Chell's tribute to love, as they say. Also, the gap between the two rocks, or the chasm, popularly known as the Devil's Kitchen, is so eerie, and it has the spooky feel with the clouds and mists enveloping it and creating a sense of bizarreness. The pillar rocks are situated 8 kilometers away from the Kodai lake, and really it has fascinated me to no ends. We also explored the Bryant Garden and the local Tibetan shops. So after that we had a small shopping spree. दिल की नज़र से दुनिया को देखो, दुनिया सदा ही हंसी है. आती रहेंगी बहारें. And right now I feel that nature transcends everything.
Love it how you love me electric, like you do. Love it how you love me electric, always you. Love it how you love me electric, electric. I love it how you love me a lot, love me a lot.
So a lot of shopping going on.
Baby, keep the light on for me, I'm coming home. No, I got you forever wherever I go.
I got this
Feel like I'm
for 120
high.
bucks, and I think this is so cute, and the color is just matching my lipstick, right? Totally away from the mundane activities, I feel like a free bird, shopping, talking, gossiping, sipping tea, and whatnot. The food at Aromas was exotic. The Malwani prawn curry, the jeera rice, and the caramel pudding. Wonderful. So we returned to the hotel, and next day I was supposed to give my reviews to the marketing team of Kodai Tourism. So here is my review. Good morning. Good morning, and I'm here at Hydas Park, and I got to know about this property via Google. And when I was searching for a luxury hotel, I found out Hydas Park, and yes, my stay here has been definitely very comfortable, and the ambience is like as if I am in a very luxurious hotel with all the basic comforts, and the rooms were very decorative with carved wooden furniture and plush designs, and the food was very awesome. So it has definitely been a fascinating stay here. But as regards some constructive suggestion, I would say yes, they need to upgrade little bit, and a bit of manpower would be much better. But otherwise, the stay was definitely a comfortable stay, and the warmth and hospitality that I have received is really worth mentioning. Thank you so much. Of Hydas Park is like, walking down the sets of Mughalism, because the decor, the wood carvings, everywhere, the walls, it really has a royalty, touch of royalty, you can say. Very glamorous, very comfortable, and the hospitality, I have to mention again and again, it has been a very welcoming stay over here. And thanks to the manager and the owner of the property that we've really had a very good stay, and it's very safe and secure, that I have to say, because I'm traveling solo, and for a solo traveler this place is highly recommended. Hi, and in Hydas Park, one thing I should recommend to all the tourists is the travel desk. That means you have to take suggestions from Mr. Saddam Hussain, the manager, who will guide you regarding Kodaikanal tourism. And yes, all the cabs that we have hired, the rental cabs, Mr. Saddam Hussain arranged everything for us, and it was really very smooth ride. And Kodaikanal, of course, is such a picturesque place, and staying at Hydas Park really enhanced our stay. Stopped here for coffee break. at the Radisson Blue Coimbatore was an incredible experience, and the pool was something like a fantasy world with the open sky above, the blue waters below, and we two together in complete silence. This was a place where one could really relax and rejuvenate. So, as a globetrotter, my life is not meant to be in one place. My heart is so contented. So, our feet's tired, but heart's happy. So, we've come to the end of a lovely trip, and it was really very entertaining, both of us together. And when friends are together, they slay together, they don't need anything. And yes, now we are in Coimbatore and we are moving to the airport, and together we will return to our hometown, Guwahati. And yes, I'll be staying there for a week or so, and that will also be another leisure time for me. And I hope you like watching our vlogs. So thank you so much. Since it was going to be a pretty long flight to Guwahati, 4.5 hours, we purchased our lunch packs from the airport, lemon rice and periyal, and also apple pie, and also some sweets for home. And these sweets purchased from Sri Krishna Stores, Coimbatore Airport. Thank you so much. Keep watching my vlogs.